Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day.
Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. In my last video, are 5 blades really better? John Bones Jones 84 commented. He said, "Man, it seems forever since Geo did a video with a straight razor while using a Simpsons brush." And Geofatboy, yours truly, responded, "Duly noted." Okay, so let's see what we can do about that. Today I'll do a straight razor shave. I'll use this Böker King Cutter Shave Nation straight razor. It's a 5/8 round point. Perfect for starting if you want to get started with a straight razor. That's why we had these made, just for you. So I'll use this razor, and then the rest of the lineup is going to be Proraso Red-Sandalwood. And I'm going to do a pre-shave. When you do a straight razor shave, always good to have your beard, your whiskers, nice and soft, so they can be taken off nice and easily by your super sharp straight razor. So it's the Proraso Red pre-shave. We'll finish it up with the Sandalwood Aftershave as well by Proraso. And I'll mix up the lather in my Chicago Artisan Shaving Bowl. This is the Santorini color, but it comes in a lot of other different colors. So that's what we'll do. And yes, John Bones Jones, I'll be using a Simpsons brush as well. This is a Chubby 2. That's the one. Let's start with the lather. I'll warm up this bowl under the hot water. Pour out the water. That just warms up the stone. I'm going to squirt a little bit right into the bottom of the bowl here. Just about that much, not too much. Here's the Chubby brush. When it's dry, let's saturate it. Soaks up the water, retains that moisture. Here's what it looks like when it's wet. Still a pretty nice round knot. Okay, let's dump out the water. Just give the brush a couple shakes. We'll go right into the bowl. See what we can do with the lather here. Whoa, gonzo. 10 seconds, we got lots of lather already. Coming up around the sides and just scooping it back down into the bowl. I just filled up that lather spot down at the bottom with a drop of the Proraso shaving cream from the tube. And as you can see, thick luscious lather. Brush is filled. It's a good sized brush too, filled with lather. All right, let's set that down. Now I'm going to warm up my face. We'll apply the pre-shave. Hot water on the face cloth and just hold it up for about 30 seconds. If you want to do it for a minute, that's good too. It feels so good that you might want to do it a little bit extra. All right, here we go. Here's the Proraso pre-shave sandalwood. You can see my jar's a little bit empty, but we got enough in here to scoop some out for pre-shave. Right into the fingertips. Apply that right to the beard. Let me add a little bit of water with it so it moisturizes in. Just massage that all in into your beard, soften it up. Pro tip right here. One more application of the hot towel. This could be your Sunday morning shave. You're going to take a little extra time. Okay, leave the pre-shave right where it's at. Grab your brush. Lather up directly on top of it. You want to drive that lather right into the beard, soften it, prepare it for the shave to come. Little figure 8 method, smooth everything out. All right, beautiful. What happens next? Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. Dry the fingers before you pick up your straight razor. Alright, here we go. Straight razor. I'll start with one finger like this so I can see my sideburn. I'm going to cut that sideburn right about there. And then I'll go to 2 fingers and work my way down, stretching the skin. Right down the neckline. Excellent. Lots of stubble on there. Let's do the mustache so we can get our two-face look going on. Just scoop right under the nose. Very good. Right hand on the right side. Now we'll switch to the left hand. One finger so I can see a little better. And then switch to 2. What is it? Whatever's comfortable for you, that's good. That's what you want to do. Right down the neckline. There we go. Let's rinse that off. Lots of stubble going down the sink. Okay, let's scoop under. Very good. Now we'll rinse off a bit. Okay, just a little bit more of the pre-shave. Not much this time. On the fingertips, just a little bit. Massage that in. Now grab your brush again and your lather. Let's lather up a bit more. Just a thin coating this time. Nice thick lather. Good cushion. Lathers really easily. Proraso's been around since 1926. Made in Italy. Excellent shaving products. Withstood the test of time for sure. Clear the runways once more. Okay, now we'll go across the grain. The first pass was with the grain. We'll go across now. And I'm stretching the skin a little bit by flattening it. Puff it out. You can inflate your cheek so that you have a flat surface to ride the blade across. Okay, let's rinse that. Now the other side, same way. Puff out the cheek. Now clean up the middle area and the cleft. Got to go in there and dig out those whiskers. Very good. Now we'll go against the grain on the neck. Did I miss this spot? There we go. Okay, now I use it as a Japanese style razor against the grain on the neck. Right hand, left side. Rinse that off. Left hand, right side. Stretch the skin. Now across the mustache area. And the other way. Now let's get those cheeks. We'll go against the grain on the cheeks and really get that baby smooth glass-like finish. Right hand, left side. Stretch the skin. There you go. Baby smooth right there. What's happening here? Got some drips and drops. Looks like a flash flood. Okay, here we go. Another pro tip. You can take your Allen block, wet your fingers, rub your fingers on it. Now you can really grip your skin even if there's soap there. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, let's do the final rinse. Let's take the wide stick Allen block, run it under the cold water, and just glide that all around. Seal off any small nicks, tighten the skin. Excellent finish to the shave. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Proraso Red-Sandalwood Aftershave Splash. I wish they would make this in a balm. That would be great. A few drops. Activate the ingredients. Ah, very nice. Check it out. I went from several days worth of beard growth to just baby smooth cheeks, chin, neck, everything. Looking good. All right. So what did we do? We layered up all the Proraso products. We started with the pre-shave, and then we went to the shaving cream, and then we finished up with the aftershave splash. All the same scent, sandalwood. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. A little straight razor shave. I haven't done one in a while. So John Bones Jones, 84, thank you very much for the request. And as always, I'm always open for requests. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see. If I can accommodate, I'll be happy to do so. Please click that subscribe button down there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then go ring that bell. Click that bell in the corner. And then click all. So you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of these items, Shave Nation Razor, we just got a fresh shipment in. If you want to pick up any of these razors, creams, bowls, any of that stuff, click down below the video. There will be links down there. You can pick up any of these items or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.